Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over this lightsaber right here in front of me, which is the Atlas hilt from Imperial Workshop. If you don't know Imperial Workshop, they are an LGT vendor that resells sabers from LGT for a very reasonably cheap price. Their shipping speeds, in my experience, have been really fast. However, they do have a limited selection. I believe they have only 12 sabers at the moment, and they are only selling Xenopixel sabers. So keep that in mind when you're thinking about purchasing from Imperial Workshop. However, if you see a hilt that you really like, I highly recommend ordering from them. Like I said, they only sell about 12 Xenopixel sabers at the moment, but they do sell some very good accessories that maybe you'd want for a lightsaber, such as a dedicated battery charger instead of a charging cord like most companies can send you, maybe some extra batteries or replacement batteries, replacement blades, and also like switch boxes for the graphics and stuff like that. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be going over this lightsaber, which is the Darth Revan lightsaber. This is the lightsaber that he used during the Mandalorian Wars against Mandalore the Ultimate, and he also used this lightsaber when he was a Sith Lord alongside Darth Malak. When I ordered this saber, it was $210 US, which is really cheap compared to some other places, and the quality is not bad at all. It is really good, and their blades are also very high quality. But enough talking about the lightsaber and the company, let's just get on with the unboxing. When you do order this box, it is going to come with a bunch of things. When you do order it, will not come with this saber stand. I ordered this separately from Crimson Dawn. So when you order this lightsaber, it's going to come with these things I'm going to show on screen now. It is going to come with the hilt, of course, with a rechargeable battery. It is also going to come with a 36-inch heavy grade NeoPixel blade, which I love. It's going to come with a USB-C charger that you can plug into a wall adapter or maybe your computer, laptop, stuff like that. It's going to come with a micro SD card reader with a micro SD card already inside. The micro SD card will have 16 gigabytes of storage. It will come with an instruction manual. And it's also going to come with a little bag full of screws and an Allen wrench. So this saber, I'm going to go over some specs, and I'm also going to pull up the website for you guys to see word for word. Some really notable things on their website that it says for the saber specs. The key things you want to really look at is that it is 11.5 inches long, so it's going to be almost a whole foot. So it's a decently sized hilt. It is going to have the Xenopixel V2 soundboard with smooth swing, flash on clash, blaster deflect, lockup, tip drag. You can change the volume. It has a battery level indicator so it can tell you when it's low on battery. You can change the colors pretty well. It will come with 33 pre-installed sound fonts. And it is unfortunately not saber staff compatible. So you cannot unscrew this and put a second one on it to kind of have, I guess, a Darth Revan saber staff, which I don't know why. I mean, unless you really like the hilt design, then I guess you could, but it is not saber staff compatible. Now that I have the blade on the hilt, let's just see what it looks like in the dark. I'm going to quickly turn off the lighting. I'm going to leave my LEDs up above. It's just red and blue. But I'm going to turn off quickly my ring light to show you guys more better how the lightsaber looks in the dark. I do want to mention, when you hold this lightsaber, the weight is really well and it feels really good. It has a really nice hand placement for spinning, so that's also really nice. But yeah, let's just turn this on real quick and show you the colors a bit. So let's just see. I believe it's the Kylo Ren, so let's just see it real quick. Never mind, it is the Rey lightsaber actually. That's pretty cool. Okay. But yeah, this is the yellow. And it also has gesture controls, so you can twist it on. You can also twist it off. I believe it has thrust too, so you can thrust it. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. So here's the dark sword with the white, I hope. So that's the smooth swing. Yeah, let's just go over one more blade effect.
He was a cunning warrior.
You were the chosen one!
And he was a good friend.
You were my brother, Anakin! I loved you!
And so here's this one. It's the blue. And it is very bright on camera. So that is really cool. Let's just do one more. I believe it should be the Darth Maul one next. So there's the Darth Maul one. And so here's that. The blade did take a while to come out. So that might have to be edited a bit, but other than that, here's the red, and it looks really cool. Sounds really cool. But yeah, smooth swing's amazing. The lighting is amazing. This saber is great. So now I'm going to kind of spin the lightsaber a bit outside and to kind of show you what it's like truly in the dark. So let's just get to it. Alright, so I'm going to do it in my garage because currently it is 4 a.m. So I don't want to wake up any of my neighbors. But yeah, sorry for the bad audio, but let's just go. And there you guys go, that will be all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and please like the video and then comment down below what are your thoughts on the saber or maybe any suggestions on the video, and I will be sure to read them. Liking this video lets me know whether I'm doing a good job with the filming and the editing, and the feedback is always very appreciated. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.